I'm around there.
So, in the high school, we call him since he
So we have another shop.
I don't know, you see. You look at something there.
You have toothpaste, you have vinegar salad, you have your Kool-Aid. You have the
oats, couple of butter and couple.
You have the oats. You have the oats.
Mm.
So you can make some oats porridge, man.
Yeah,
So,
milk.
Elder, blessings. It's a pleasure.
So
It's a pleasure. Good to see you. So he's been living here for a while?
I say, yeah, man, I had man.
So he's been here for many years. Farmer.
Yeah, man, farmer. Yeah. Wow. So they out the road, they could drive in on any time now. Come back here, you know.
Can I buy him a drink or something?
Yeah, man, yeah, I mean.
Well, you don't have nothing for cold. Would you like something?
Yeah, man.
What do you like?
Cold dragon.
Give me a cold dragon.
Cold, you know, they ain't happy.
Oh, Pops, you know.
Yeah, put them in the fridge, you fridge and bust them up, man. So you think something on your fridge?
Yeah.
What's up here? What's up here, man? What's up here there?
Ah, you have Guinness. So you have a blender?
Yeah, man.
So you can blend the oats with the
Guinness.
with the dragon, or a dragon better with the oats, you know? And the condensed milk, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Pop shop, man. Yes, man, I got you, man. You know I drink Pops? Drink something, man. Yeah, man.
Respect Joe, man.
Oh, man, our family, you know.
I mean.
blood.
No, Pops, man. Pops grew up. And more times, sometimes I come here, you know, I say it away.
Yeah.
But, so your music system, you have USB, you get USB, for your music, you can plug in USB?
No, I don't know USB. I know you can use it sometimes, but when I use it, I don't know how to do it.
But, oh no, okay, but it does work with it.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth and USB.
Guys,
A modern man.
Bluetooth me use.
It must have a USB too.
Oh. Can push USB in there, yes.
Yeah, man, and it play.
Oh, you can push USB. I'm going to take my phone more time. I'll put my phone on and go and burn to a tune. Play to a tune. Can you Bluetooth?
A Bluetooth?
Yeah.
Connect it, man. I have a tune. You have some. It's on. Set it up on Bluetooth. Just turn it on.
Sometimes I sit here at a place, I was sitting there, I say, oh, over there, where I sit here.
Right,
quotes give me rid of right to the sound. 160,000 pay for that red.
1,000 US that.
160,000 Jamaican dollar.
Near.
Trust me.
1,000 years.
Yeah. Eh?
But if you have the money, everybody can.
Trust me from them.
Oh,
yeah? When I trust you, I
Probably would
know.
have about 70,000.
70,000.
No,
The price double when you trust.
Actually, you know me, you know. When I trust you, 96,000 of her cash.
So how much total when you don't pay about?
160.
160.
I know that.
You can't tell me you pay some local job to actually you're there with them long time.
I think everything I let get them, but
Oh,
for
I see.
a $16,000, a 18,000 more left on and then I take me trouble for already. Like you want to come take you. I barely sent for me from last week.
Take care. One thing about your credit, but I'm not the one I do.
Use with them. I mean, if it's a reading, more. Oh, is it funny?
Yeah. Let me just come. Yes, man, get a drink, man. You know, remember somebody come? Get a drink. Where you drink? Night. So, how you doing, cuz?
Sugar. Good, you know? No sugar. Sugar, I don't get no sugar yesterday. I see nothing. People them bang money yesterday, so I don't get sugar.
You don't get no sugar.
Give me two.
The money in our good yesterday, one man they bought a piece of food for me, I'm sending for a animator, all the argument and I get to touch over yesterday.
I get one for drinking.
Yeah, man, give me a drink. Well, me not come often, but you know.
Can I drink too? Hot or cold? I be a champagne, me have you. I be a champagne, I don't want no champagne.
You want to sit where you can't see now.
You've been recognized for Mossberries are farm for 70 years. You see me? And Uno been recognized all over the world now, say. Una the real backbone of Jamaica.
Yeah.
Foundation. So now when people see me now, they might realize, oh, we're forgetting of the film.
If you look on YouTube music video, you know, the zinc fence, the man might show, you know, and then could sit there and show down there ghetto, and show the bad part of the ghetto, and then show up front. And show the you know.
A couple of weeks ago, I grew to Antilina, you know.
Yeah.
2 weeks ago.
With Patrick there. Well,
Yeah,
I'm
man,
try to call him through now.
Hmm?
I'm going to try to call him through.
Yeah, I grew them and took to them and the whole around they keep meeting church service and sitting.
When was that?
Oh, 2 weeks ago.
Where else?
I haven't watched September.
Where is that somewhere?
Yeah, man.
The most is that?
Yeah, man, we're going to keep looking meat and cook some food and make a chicken and sitting in front of we're going to go cook and eat some food and sitting spend one time around there with Angelina and the and Patrick them and
You can't walk, yo.
yeah, man, but you know, go dark side.
Dark side,
Around them one for a couple of hours when we around them one. And Dan, Tuxie, Kishlin, Pixie, Precious. So I go picking and whatever around there. Let's get two chicken and some food trying to shut the van around there.
You want to work?
Yeah, man, but bar Papa fight for already down the road. They park up. From me come back at the same time, they want bar Papa fight. No, the bar stuck up on me, I pull on the book, so I know me can't get, me no get it. Because the money kind of weak now still.
How much does the bar cost?
About $4 grand it cost me. Because I want brother be sell a Malton for about $4,000.
And you can't fix it now the same day?
I can't fix it myself, I go and get the bar.
So we're not going to do that tomorrow and just roll?
When going to license intro? Roll go ahead. Like, no, when you're out, if you're up
Patrick, don't have Patrick.
Yeah, man, if you're up, me can...
I'm back and forth around here.
Yeah, man, we can make us...
Christiana too? I mean, the market?
Me can really roll night on the police them bad.
They're
them one grown Angelina now.
They're on videos.
Them one grown Angelina now, I don't know, so me can shut you and jump around Angelina, man, and go burn out. But brother Malton have one brother Malton have still.
The thing.
The bar more.
Right thing.
And my van parts them dear still, you know. A Ford, you know, American Ford, you know.
So it's been working?
Yeah, man, van drive, man.
Good man,
There's some money now around my way, me no fix up my van and up on the road, man. Money weak on my side.
Just for the crank thing?
No, I say money weak on my side.
Straighten up your lights now.
You get to straighten up your right, we have to touch the road.
So how much, so then you can drop off yam them and thing?
Yeah, I can go sell all my food and thing, but the money I beat me, man.
I'm more time.
I think I'm youth them still and as me get a little to that I have to run back one for them side.
I'm on short time to cry because young guy might go to see him, you know.
Yes, I take quick time, you know. I know some I'm married in November still. No, first of December I'm married. First of December.
Congrats, man.
Yeah, man.
About time. How old is now?
44.
Yeah. You're married before me.
So you go.
I'm 45. I'm Pops grew up in the yard.
Yeah, man. So,
what am I tell you? Life.
I'm your mother live about 16 years ago, 17 years now. So,
about time.
We do a little thing and go on.
Face one,
Put
7
life
years.
on it. Yeah,
Congrats,
put life on it.
man.
7 years.
Yeah.
You have him car and he can't touch him. I go hustle the next man car and him house the money and can't touch him. I leave the yard.
Yeah. So my brother, I bring my man, me get him 4 crankshaft and him so, I mean, him beyond thankful. And we are running at the Toyota, you know. A piston thing with the shocks.
Oh, the shocks then.
Yeah. And we are running at the thing, you know, and I tell us I feel nice.
It's good.
What do you
I'm
mean?
catching early this morning.
At 5:30 we left out and I reach at like 2 hours.
Yeah, man.
38.
Straight out of the grill, you know.
Quick time, boy, 8 o'clock, me see the car roll up there.
Straight out of the grill, you
I
know.
know we are road now.
And then them have to run it back to work, you know. And reach back on time. Nothing wrong with it. Car
A
run.
bad car them there.
You see when it lift up on the road, man.
American camera, you know.
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah, man, I see it, man.
You know, ever.
Bad camera them there, man.
So I try to promote good life.
Good life,
Yeah, man.
Not rich life.
Yeah, man, good life.
Good life.
Foundation.
Farmers, living good, we are cook and we are eat.
Yeah.
Because when you start instill different values in a Jamaican head, your family, you have your shop, and I say to myself, but how come? I think me did come here and buy something, but how come we not stack up him shop for him? Why we not send barrel for just stack up the shop? It's a business, right?
Yeah.
But not for talk to the other youth them, man, because this can stack up a different way so that the kids them see something different or something.
Yes, I be a go and bang run, you know, help me them medical food.
You do your thing, you know.
And right now I'm looking low in my borrow from the bank and go and running and pay the loan a week time.
Yeah.
Try out, man.
Just have to try. Me have to just try so till, you know.
I mean, just a reason why I say, boy, tour band march, you know, just a reason why I say, boy, march man, it'll be hard sometimes, you know, but and they come to easy, you know.
Yeah.
Me band march, man, I say, me always check thing, me band march.
Sometimes I think me and people are with harder, you know, because we always do everything we have to
I mean,
people from the video,
people run at me in band, you know.
Kind, right?
Yeah, man, kind.
Kind.
Yeah, man.
Kind.
Yeah, me just have to tell Dougie say, I think we can call me and I say, if you send me lunch money, but he must send 2,000 to come give me.
I was sending lunch money coming, I already sending lunch money coming, still sending 2,000. That means I let him still, you know.
He said, I send 2,000 to come give me. If you go make up your bills.
So how is she doing in the running now?
I'm going good, man. I'm going good in high school set speed.
Yeah?
So, man, anything I go on, man. I be a training and thing in there. You know, I come home for now. I don't know if I run on the weekend, I can spend on 2 days. I'm good still.
So, am I win this thing then?
Yeah, I second year, I won't do and you know, say, fast picking and fast picking, but when you run at the, how you call it, you know, champs.
Income on third.
A second income, man. A second income of champs, man. Get silver, man. A second income, man.
What's her name?
Dahima Williams.
Dahima Williams. So our time is fast, like
yeah, man, in time I go,
very
man.
Competitive time.
Yeah, man, a good time.
They take him in early, you know, they call him.
Yeah, man, take him in 14, 13.
They know, they might get sick no time this time.
Yeah.
Another school in pass again, you know. A four different school come and say come both of him come at the school, you know. Edwin Allen. When I went to big school at town, Sparlins and Wormwood, 4 school. We want him. But I Wormwood first push up the you know.
So what kind of cost you incur from doing the training for her? What really create costs for you?
Me board them up at school and me pay me pay 10 like in school fee would that be if me board them up there and like he never there on the school thing that cost me $25,000 a month. So when time me go now then split the money so me pay and go 10,000 a month fee. I'm go 10,000 a month and me send him lunch money a week time. Me give him $3,000 a week.
So enough your man thing you have to really work.
Yeah, man, I have to go and do what I have to do, man. So, you get lunch and sitting up there still, you know, but me just give him the 5 bills and go and keep it in my pocket and buy in the connection.
So what happened to your hand recently?
That's a machete chop me, that bush choose I clean up my gun man and machete bust off my finger, man. Right now I cut bad, you know, but I have to just go and wrap up here and go and
So you can't go to the doctor?
At the time, you know, when I had no paper for me, so I couldn't move.
So wait there.
I really think, I don't have no money paper. I'm not about to move, me just cut some, get some a young banana and some Kirsten mash it up. This morning, I take off your fight.
Grandmother medicine.
And put on band-aid. Put a band-aid and some medicine upon it and make it go.
So wait there, no. You know, everything good with it?
Yeah, man, it kind of good now. I clean up it this morning.
So how big is the cut?
My machete chip it down so. Just chip it down, cut it board from here so to right around here so. And bungle it up.
How did that happen, Roger? You drink on the job?
Nah, man, I don't drink my. I don't know, say, oh, man, come make me get me and my mind upset still, you know. Man, making current through, walk up and down through my ground, man. And kill 2 with me. Kind of did a cuss still, but my shit just there. Tap a cussing.
Boom!
That kind of straight again, you know.
That's good.
So I saw it go. So I go move over till tomorrow.
Yeah.
Pops, let me leave something for you.